In this video, we will be seeing how to write a simple C program and execute it in Dev-C IDE. So here you can see I have already opened Dev-C IDE. So after installing Dev-C IDE, you will be getting this type of icon or uh, software installed on your system. And by clicking on this icon, like in your installed programs in the bloodshed Dev-C IDE folder, you will be having this Dev-C++, this type of icon. So you can get the shortcut on your start menu or desktop, and when you click on this, it will open in this screen. So this window will open where you will be finding different options in the menu bar. So here you have file, edit, search, view, and etc. menu options. So here I'm going to file, new, and source file. So when I click on source file, a new window will open, which will be actually the editor where we can write the C program. So here I'm going to write a simple C program. So every C program will start with include stdio.h. So by including this statement in our program, we are including the standard input output header file. So with this statement, the standard input output header file is included. Now what is header file? So header file will contain some predefined functions. So there are some functions which are already defined and kept in header files, and these header files are present in C language library. So which will be getting installed on your system when you install the software. So here I am including the standard input output header file, which will contain some predefined functions like printf and scanf. So next I'm going to write the statement void main. So this void main is nothing but the main function. It is called the main function, which is starting point of execution. So void main here is the main function, which is starting point of execution, and whatever we write inside this main function, only those statements will be executed. So void here means the return type of main, which we will be learning in future videos. So void here is return type or result type of main. So every function is supposed to return something, and if it is not returning anything, then we write here void. That means it is not going to return anything, not going to return any result. Now within this main, I'm going to use the predefined function printf, which is present in stdio.h, and this printf is used for writing on the output screen. So for writing on output screen, we use this printf, and after this printf, we write parenthesis, and within this parenthesis, whatever we write, that is going to be printed on output screen. So I'm here writing welcome to C class. So when I write welcome to C class in double quotes, it is a string which is going to be printed on output screen, which is also called console. Now after writing this basic C program, so we need to save this file. So after writing this in the editor, it is untitled. So we need to save it, which we can do by going to file option and click on save. You also have here the save icon, which you can click. So here after clicking on save, we get this save as dialog box. Here we need to select the save as type as C source file and give the file name according to your requirement. I'm giving test, and you can choose the location where you want to save this file. You can choose desktop or any drive. So here I have C folder, which is present in E drive, and in this folder already there is a file which I have saved, and here in this place only I'm going to save this test file. So this location I have chosen, which is in E drive. So I'm going to click on save, and I'm naming this file as test. So when I click on save, you can see the file name has changed to test.c. So every C program file will have .c extension, and when it is having this .c extension, this will be called as source file. And after we compile it, it is converted to object file, and another object file will get created where we are saving this file. So now let's go to execute option and compile it. So for compiling, go to execute option and click on compile, or you can also press F9 key. And it will also check for any errors or mistakes in your program and give the errors or warnings present in the program in compile log, which you can see here. So here we got 0 errors or 0 warnings because there is no mistake in our program. Suppose if I remove this semicolon and if I then compile, I get error expected semicolon. So this way it will be giving errors or warnings if it is present in your program. Now because there are no errors, now we got 0 errors or warnings. Now if I run it, you can see we got the output welcome to C class. So this way we can write a C program and execute it in Dev-C IDE.